FightCamp Elite Boxing System Pricing explained what you get for your money. FightCamp Elite costs around $299 plus a monthly subscription. But it's more than just a punch bag system. You're buying a complete interactive boxing experience for home. The system includes sensor-equipped gloves, a freestanding mag, and a tablet for on-demand boxing strength and cardio classes. The sensors track your punches, speed, and power, giving real-time feedback and detailed analytics after every session. Most people get this wrong. They think boxing is only cardio. FightCamp combines boxing with strength and conditioning, providing a full-body workout that builds endurance, strength, and coordination. The subscription gives access to hundreds of classes, progression tracking, and challenges that keep motivation high. You can compete with friends or follow structured programs to reach specific fitness goals. So, what do you get for your money? High-tech, interactive boxing system that delivers professional-grade workouts, real-time analytics, and long-term fitness progression, all in the comfort of your home. If you're ready to turn boxing into a measurable, engaging, and effective fitness routine, FightCamp Elite provides everything you need to train smarter and harder.